How to export data from MetaTrader 5 app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can export data from MetaTrader 5 app. For this, you want to download and install the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. If you have not done that already, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then you want to search for MetaTrader in the search bar. Now, have this application downloaded on your device. Once you have downloaded it, tap on it and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in and you want to export data from the MetaTrader 5 app, all you have to do is from this interface, tap on the history option. Once you tap on history, all of your history of transactions will appear over here. You can tap on this calendar icon if you want to check history of last week, last month, last 3 months, or custom a period. Once you have done that, all you want to do is tap and hold on any of the transaction until a menu appears. On the menu, you want to select the export or export history option. Now choose the format you want to export the data in, and then with that your data is going to be exported to MetaTrader app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.